Okay, so what I'm going to do here is set up a donate button on, or a donate form, let's say, on my website. Now, we're going to use Gravity Forms because it's already included in the website for Bhakti Marga country website. So let's just use that. It's been updated on the 5th of April 2019, so it's pretty new on the date of recording this video. So follow this. But I'm just going to do it anyway, just as a video, if it makes it any easier. So let's just create a new form. So I'm going to do new form. Oops, I've got one. Sorry, donation form. I'll just edit it because I didn't put anything in that. Let's just see what it's doing. Build your form. We want a product. Okay, so let's put a product in, and we'll see what goes. It's in the pricing fields, product. Okay. And if we open this up, let's see what the thing tells us to do. Single product, drop down, or radio buttons. Under the field type, change the option from single product to drop down and radio buttons. So we're going to do, let's do radio buttons, okay? We come back down here. So what I'm going to say is like, going to do like first choice, second choice. I'm going to say something like small donation, medium donation, and large donation. Now you could have different categories for this. I'm going to put in €5, 15 euros, and I'm going to put in 50 euros or something. Okay, I'm going to obviously make this required because I want people to donation amount, let's call it. Yeah. Okay, so press update on that. What I want to do, we're going to have to put that into a form in a minute. So we're going to, under choices, create the labels. We've done that and we've made it required. Okay, so what have they called it? Donation amount. What have I called mine? Yeah, donation amount. Too many M's. So then add a section per product field to give it a name, set the field type as user defined price. Okay, so okay, so this is an optional step that allows the user to define their own price. So it's saying here add another product field. So let's do that. Double click. We're going to say like add your own price. Yeah. And what we're going to do is it's saying here user defined price down here. So I think we've got a section here, user defined price. Yeah. And that's it. So what we want to do is we're going to enable conditional logic. So in the first one, we're going to put in other amount. Yeah, so that will trigger if someone puts in, they want to put in another amount under here. Going to add another one. Okay, save that. And what I do is I enable something called conditional logic in here in advance. So enable conditional logic, and I'm going to show if donation amount is other amount. Yeah, so let's just update that. That means that when I click other amount in the first field, this other box underneath it will appear. Yeah, we've given it a name and description, user defined price. Yeah, done the advanced logic, and then we want a total field, right? So let's just go down to where is total. Total is there. Let's see what the blog article says. It says it says it's complete. Embed the form on a page. Okay, so let's update that. Right, so what I want to do now is I want to add a new page. Or let's just check my pages to see if I've got let's just add a new page. Okay, I'm going to do like a donation form. Okay, in here we should be able, if I just type in Gravity Forms, yeah, we've got a form, and I want to pick a donation form, press publish, yeah. And I think that's done. I'll just double check by doing that. View page, let's open that in a new link. Obviously there's no styling in this page, but you can get the general idea. So small donation, it says 5 there, 15 there, large donation, and if I press other amount, it opens this up, and I put in, like, let's say 150, and it totals it there, okay? And then when I submit this, it will submit it like a contact form. But in order for this to be processed with something like PayPal or Stripe, I'm going to have to set up a payment gateway system, and with that I will do it on another video, so it just prevents this video being too long. But essentially, follow that tutorial down to section 4, okay, and then we'll look at like doing online payment processes here, okay.